Now I'm going to talk about describing the detail of your problem. So far you have determined the outline of the problem which you are going to solve through your research activity. So next, what you need to do is think about the description about the detail of the problem. And for that, what I suggest you to do is to define 4 items of information essence. Actually, this is a two-function analysis. Then the first information item is the function of the positive state generated from research system and conventional system. So what you need to do is probably you have defined, or you have already defined, the positive state as a kind of general description. What I want you to do here is translate the description into the format of function, subject, verb, object. Now that means research system acts on component or system. So the description, general description about the positive state should be translated into the format of research system acts on component or system. Then next, what you should do is determine functions related to positive state. So previously you have defined the function of the positive state, or what you need to do next is break the function into the combination of detailed functions. So these to describe what's going on to generate the positive state. And similar to positive state, you also need to define the function of negative state generated from a research system. So what you should do is translate the general description about negative state from a research system into the format of function, subject, verb, object. Then, similar to previous positive state, you need to perform function analysis about the function defined as the negative state from research system as a combination of functions. Then now let me ask you some of the questions to extract those information essences from you. The first question is describe positive state as a function, subject, verb, object. The next question is describe negative state generated from research system as a function, subject, verb, object. So next is performing function analysis. Describes the details of positive state as a combination of functions. Similar to the positive state, describes the details of negative state as a combination of functions. So what I'm saying here is described in the illustration on this slide. Probably you can understand what you should do with respect to this figure. So what do you need to do after answering these questions, defining your information items for the details of your problem, is just insert the information items into the template. So with these templates, probably you can define the detail of the problem. I mean, what's going on in your research system when the problem is generated. Then this is all for this session. Thank you for listening.